Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to be talking about A star pathfinding algorithm and what that is. This algorithm is a slight improvement that was made on a previous algorithm, which was uh, the way how previous one would work. That would work within a circle from where you are standing. It would work within a circle away, looking for a best path for you to go using to from point A to point B, right? So it would work as a circle away from you. That would require, compared to this algorithm, more computing power. Where this particular algorithm, the way how it works, if you are moving from point A to point B, it would guide you towards that direction in the first place, and it would look for shortest path that you can take from point A to point B. But it would only use computing power to guide you to that direction. So um, uh, it would be perhaps faster. It would require less resources to compute from point A to point B. That was in my own words. And now let's take a look at some more professionals of that and how they describe the process. The A star, pronounced as A star, pathfinding algorithm is a widely used and efficient algorithm for finding the shortest path between 2 points in a graph, while taking into account the cost and traveling each edge of node. It depending on for what kind of software, if you were to use that software when it comes to perhaps instead of outsourcing, if that would be optimal for you in the beginning, then so you have a business, either that's products or services or hybrids of two, right? If you have a product, those products most likely are gonna need to be delivered by someone. In the beginning, you might be looking to outsource those requirements to others. But if you were to progress into developing your own software, there are a lot of software solutions there. And perhaps having your own fleet, perhaps in the beginning, might be challenging. But overall, that would be one of the ways to think about it. Either to outsource to the fleet as well as having that software. If anything, bring your own understanding how those software solutions can operate. Other than that, it can commonly be used in video games, robotics, and other applications where finding an optimal path is important. Dijkstra, or Dijkstra's algorithm, is a graphic search algorithm used to find the shortest path between source nodes and all other nodes in a weighted graph. It was developed by Dutch computer scientist Edgar V. Dijkstra in 1956 and is commonly used in various applications such as network routing, transportation systems, and more. The algorithm guarantees finding the shortest path in a graph with non-negative edge weights. So it's the one that I'm discussing previously. So that's one that everyone would start with, right? So where it would start as a circle and it would work away from the point A, looking for a path to finding where the point B is. We're moving away from point A, so that's how it operates. Where later on it was improved on top of that, and it was progressed to something that I'm discussing within this video. That would be A star and the way how A star operates. A star ensures that the path with the lowest Fn values is explored first, which makes it both optimal and efficient. However, the quality of the heuristic function plays a crucial role in its efficiency. A perfectly admissible heuristic will make a star believe like Dijkstra's algorithm, exploring all nodes in increasing the order of the G values. People out there who are interested in learning more, I have highly recommend you taking a look at the journal. I have published this journal some time ago, but I can't imagine a better tool or place to begin than starting your own journey and optimizing your own time 24 hours and making most of those 24 hours. I would highly recommend to begin with that particular area. when they're thinking about how to structure your own goals within your life as well as how to achieve those. If you were to begin with your personal time, from there you can progress into different subjects down the line, but that would be a better or most valuable place to begin with, and from there you can progress into other areas. I have highlighted particular areas that you could focus on within 24 hours, and some of those areas can include different values, goals, as well as some of the metrics. You can find it in the description below, as well as Top Retailers has it. The A star pathfinding algorithm is important for several reasons in various fields and applications. If anything, let's highlight some of those reasons. Efficiency. A star is highly efficient at finding the shortest path from a starting point to a target point in a graph or grid. It uses heuristic to prioritize the most promising path, resulting in fewer nodes to explore compared to algorithms like Dijkstra's, making it more computably efficient. So if we were to compare those two, perhaps this one would be more efficient and slight improvement of the previous one. Optimality is just a star guarantees that it will find the shortest path in certain conditions are met, i.e. at admissible, heuristic, non-negative edge cost. This, in other words, right? So when you're writing a code, that would be one of those ways, right? When you're writing conditions or what we are looking for. This optimally is crucial in applications where finding the shortest path is fundamental requirements such as route optimizing, navigating, and robotics. So I have been taking a look at some of the software solutions out there, but you can potentially buy a special entry point for many business. So you can potentially have access to some of this free software solutions up there for your business, and you're starting whatever the food delivery business or whatever case might be, right? So you would not necessarily yourself be having access to some of those shorter path finding, especially in the beginning. So and if you were to find, if we're looking from perhaps smaller scale, if we're progressing to larger scale projects, if you were to develop some of the software solutions for tankers or large vessels up there, you could potentially be able to offer a lot of value with those some of those projects up there. I have reached out to some of the managers of some of those projects up there, people who are interested, who potentially can offer a lot of cost savings. And then it comes to perhaps not owning perhaps your own fleet or renting a fleet or moving large quantities of goods from point A to point B, and how the route can be optimized. Versatility A-Start is adaptable and can be used in a wide range of applications, where you are navigating a maze, applying a route on a map, simulating a robot's path, or even solving a puzzle. A-Star can be tailored to find the specific problem. Uh, Real-time applications. A-Star can be used in real-time scenarios, making it suitable for video games and simulations where characters and entities need to find optimal paths in dynamic environments. Some of these dynamic environments can handle where the path can change over time. By periodically rerunning a star, you can find updated paths in response to changes in the environment, which is crucial in robotics and automation of vehicles. Memory efficiency. Unlike some other pathfinding algorithms, a star doesn't require storing the entire research tree, making it more memory efficient and suitable for constrained environments. Complex problem solving. A star can be used in solving complex problems beyond simple pathfinding. It is used in games AI to make intelligent decisions based on the path, cost, and goals, such as decision making in the strategic games. I have done a little bit of research within this regard and how some of the AI would think based on the key points that you would, or data sets that you give it to it. But I don't know, it's very narrow people out there who are actually interested in those kind of things. I don't know. Not necessarily general audience who would be interested in those. But either way, what I'm trying to say, there is potentially can be a lot of applications for this algorithm, as well as use cases, as well as already other people working on it. So if anything, so if you're interested, perhaps outsourcing some of the tasks, manual, if use cases, manual tasks can be outsourced to software to deal with those. Research and development. A STAR has been for foundational algorithm in artificial intelligence, graphic theory, and computer science research. It has led to development of various other algorithms and techniques. In summary, the A-star pathfinding algorithm is important because of its efficiency, optimizing versatility, and applicability to a wide range of real-world problems. Depending on what kind of problem you have, that would be another tool that you might be interested in solving that problem. It plays a crucial role in many domains, including gaming, robotics, transportation, and more, where finding optimal path is essential for efficient and intelligent decision making. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.